In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blog post from your HubSpot account using the user guide on the platform. Whether you're cleaning up old content or just tidying up your digital space, this easy guide will walk you through the process with clarity and ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the app na2.hubspot.com. Once there, you'll want to locate the user guide. It's a good idea to have this handy as it can be a great resource for navigating all the functionalities HubSpot offers. Think of it like your map to successful content management. Now that you've found the user guide, the next step is to click on it. By doing so, you're ensuring you have access to all the necessary details and options you require for this process. Moving on, once you are in the user guide, locate and click on the Content section. This is typically where all your content management actions begin. It's an essential hub for everything you publish on the platform, so becoming familiar with it can greatly streamline your content management routines. After clicking on Content, your focus should shift to the blog icon, which you'll want to click next. It's the gateway to all your blog post actions, essentially acting as your main control room for managing posts. Once inside the blog section, look for the Actions button. This is a crucial step because the Actions section is where various options for managing your individual posts are available. Clicking here will open up a drop-down or a new set of choices specifically tailored for post management. After you've clicked on Actions, the next step is to select Delete. It's that simple. Selecting Delete will prompt a pop-up or a confirmation message, depending on your settings, ensuring that you won't accidentally remove important content. It's always helpful to double-check that the post you're intending to delete is indeed the one you've selected. Confirm this action, and your post will be removed from your blog list. In summary, these steps offer you a straightforward pathway to deleting unwanted blog posts on HubSpot, allowing you to keep your content relevant and updated. Regularly managing your blog posts not only helps in organizing your web presence, but also ensures that your audience is getting the most accurate and timely information possible. Be sure to explore the user guide further, should you need more tailored actions or encounter any difficulties. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial today, and happy blogging.